The current time is 4:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. This is station KZZ 65 in Bloomington. Here is a look at the rivers in flood across the area. A flood warning remains in effect for the Illinois River at Peoria. The latest stage is 14.7 feet at 4 a.m. Sunday. Flood stage is 18.0 feet. The river is forecast to crest at 22.0 feet Wednesday evening. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Logan County, southeastern Tazewell County, southwestern McLean County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located 2 miles east of Emden, or 10 miles north of Lincoln, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Arlington around 4:45 p.m. Atlanta around 5 p.m. By 10 p.m. This includes the following highways. Interstate 155 between mile markers 7 and 16. Interstate 55 between mile markers